climbing uphill, so the road is like very scary. It's not like very easy to just climb and walk away the rock. You have to be careful. Oh, parrots are there. Yeah, good enough. Chalo. So basically Canary Hill is like good for exploring, but yeah, गवर्नमेंट को थोड़ा सा इस पे और वर्क करना चाहिए, because it could be a good place for people to do a adventurous kind of activity like मैं कर रहा हूँ उस kind, and there are many, and also yeah, good enough. Yeah, government is doing, but need to do more. So lastly, we are reaching at the top, to the top. This part is like very hard to climb. Rocks are there. I'm getting exhausted. Don't worry. Just climb. Luckily, we reached the top area, the top hill of the Canary. Good. Let's go. Keep it up. Keep going. It's not an easy task just to climb. Yeah, last time too we took this route. Again we'll take, but we have to be a little bit careful because the shoes used to slip if it doesn't take a proper grip to the rock. You might fall, and the result and the consequences will be very drastic. So from the left I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the top, and at the top our Indian flag, which is there. So the 360 view too I'll show you. This look amazing. I'm in the top. Oh, this area, see, that's why it's better not to go to that area. So let's climb to the top. Yeah, so yeah, see, Mr. Ravi, he reached the top. I do have to go to the top area.